What's up, everybody? Tony Human here. Welcome back to Teardown. So, uh, I was like, okay, I'm trying my best to say sorry for not recording any videos for this week or on June, like June, because like I was burnt out. I was like done with YouTube. I was like, I'm tired. I just want to, have a good summer before school starts back up. And then I've been watching like an anime and all that. Yeah, everything's like this and that. But, yeah. But today we're playing Teardown once again. I love this game. I didn't mean to do that. Hold on a second. Let me fix that. Wee! But, yeah, welcome back to Teardown. It don't, why does it always open up with me destroying things and then just like, you know, all this. All this chaos. Oh. Okay, I guess. Alrighty. What is this thing? Get out of here. Oh, where am I? Oh, wow. Hold on a second. I found this funny thing with this, like, item I can use. The portal, whatever it's called. Where I can, like, just make one of the vehicles fly. I think I did in the last video, but I always use it with this boat. Oh! Hold on. No. Hold on. I got no idea. Oh, destruction! Yeah! Kool-Aid. Oh my god. Oh! Yeah. That did turn out well. I hope they don't find out I did it. Excuse me, truck. I got things to go to. Excuse me. Excuse me. Destruction. It's like Bob the Builder if he gets fired from his job. Oh. Yay. Alright, getting out of here. Yeah. Oh my. Jeez. Hold on. No one will know. Is that a monster truck? Give me it. No. Oh. Got it. Is it gonna land here? No. Oh, it got destroyed. Oh man. It got destroyed. Oh, kinda destroyed. There it is. There's the place. Oh. There we go. Made it. Yep. Whee! Oh, I'm stuck. Yay. Eat some cars and destroy a building. That makes sense. Oh. Yeah. What am I doing? What's going on? Oh my god. So yeah, that was a experience with that house. It just like decided to transform that house into its house, and then that house transformed into that house. What is going on with the houses? Like each time I play this game. By the way, I'm not gonna make that Squid Games reference where he said I played these games before. Dang it, I always did. Like each time I play it off camera and not recording, I maybe notice a funny way to. I don't know. By the way, what's in here? Looks like the power gen. Yes. Boom. Destroyed. Let's get out of here. Oh, there goes that. This whole area is just destroyed. Like, just imagine one of the workers come here, like, I don't know, late. And then they're like, sorry guys, I'm late. And then they just see this. Destruction everywhere. Just like absolutely destroyed. Except for over here. Over here is good, but I'm gonna destroy it. Destroy that. Yay. Oh, that's still up. I need to take that down because I realized that if I didn't take it down, that will like maybe like freeze up my game. And that happened to me with Security Breach. I was just trying my best to play it, and then like there was this glitch where like I don't know, it was like the most randomest one where I couldn't do anything, just fall through the ground. But anyway, guys, if you want to see any more games from Tony Game and what I make, this one here, I highly request it to, if you guys are, on Instagram, Tony Gaming Plus is now available. And you guys ask, oh Tony, what is Tony Gaming Plus? It's a content where I turn my videos into miniature videos, where I make the funny moments from any of these videos into a clip. That's the name, Tony Gaming 193 Plus, aka clip. It makes sense for me because Tony Gaming Plus, and like plus means extra. Get out of here, car. You destroyed that car. What happened here? What did I done? But anyway, but yeah, there's a new. I wanted to do it on TikTok, but I realized that I don't want to anymore because of. Like, I hold back on TikTok when I was like, I maybe dropped TikTok on Tony Gaming. I was like, I'm not gonna add clips on TikTok where everyone can just like I get it, they can like watch the clip, go on my channel, and do all that. I know. But there are some things that you will not actually realize in Tony Gaming Plus. One, there's no Tony and Friends clips. Yes, Tony and Friends is gone, yeah. We can say that. Tony and Friends is no more. Like, I ended that series with a nice cliffhanger or something, whatever they call it these days. B, there's gonna be brand new advertisements for new songs or any episode that's coming up. Like me playing Anton Blast in the live stream, or me making a song. And that's all the updates, so yeah. Look at this! When I was recapping everything, this whole town is destroyed. Well, I better go. They're gonna realize that I did all this, and I'm not going. Get out of here! Dang it. Where did my car go? Where did my car go? Where did my car go? You know what? We're gonna take this boat. Okay. Do 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 do. I'm a car. Oh yeah, I'm a boat, not a car. Hold on. No, what? Take this. Oh my god. Wait, I did this once. I did this once. Where I was playing Teardown and then like one of the boats got stuck here. I can't believe it happened again. Oh, that was fun. Oh, okay. That was hilarious. That was haha fun. 10 out of 10. Absolutely tone. Tuna. But Alrighty. Yay! I thought that will do a whole ton of destruction, but no, it didn't. Look how destroyed this is. By the way, some little updates about I don't know what I can say called updates or just called like, I don't know, should we call this like an update video because there's like so much updates in this one video. I don't know, like if you guys want me to, I can play Secret of the Mimic because there's like so much popularity because there's this one song called Jackie in the Box. I don't know. It's like, hold on a second. There we go. I found the video. Because like I was watching one of my favorite content creators, and then I found this Jackie's Box. Have you ever heard a single meme about this? This video, I can't even like play it because like there's like curse words and all that. But I guess I can say that this is like before Secret of the Mimic was like actually introduced. Skadoosh. But yeah, I was like, how can I make like this song I've been listening to, and there's one song that I've been listening to as well, and also I've been listening to McAllen. I've been listening to McAllen a lot. But I feel like, this is honestly my favorite song I've been listening to. I think it's honestly Vengeance. Vengeance makes the song, and proving him makes this song go crazy. Crewing that squid guy, whatever his name is. But yeah. But I want to do like a Tony Gaming behind the scenes video. Yes, there's gonna be one more added and be right back. This one, I remember I was making a Mario like world thing I did, where I was playing like all my custom courses I made, and then I just like popped in saying Super Chica Maker, but it never actually came out as a video. So yeah, it never actually became an actual video because it was like multiple times I like messed up my lines. Sometimes I can mess up my. Look at this. What? Why is magical? Well, I get it. I get it. This one's more popular because I really need to talk to you guys about like what am I gonna do next for my songs, but I feel like that will be in its own separate video because this video is going long and I gotta edit it. So all of you guys watching this video, thank you all so much for watching. Your boy Teardown Gaming out, and see you all next time.